for you. Going to the moon.
Hey, it's KoolKard. And you know what you watching. The All Cool Stuff Show. I got this flash charging cord from Desert West. This is nothing fancy. You've seen this before. This is USB-A to Type-C connection. Now, you probably say, oh, that sounds familiar. Yeah, because it's an Android connection. You've probably seen it on an Android phone, not an iPhone. This is a braided nylon cable, and it has fast charging and sync capabilities, 5A, if that means anything to you. But I'm just going to go into this box. I'm going to show you what's in here. Like I said, this is not really an unboxing. This is just kind of like a preview of what you could get. And I'm also going to leave the link down below. All right, you can go check it out. You can buy it. And I'm going to leave you a discount code as well. So y'all support Desert West. Desert West supports me. They send me products. So it's cool. All right, guys, I'm going to do a simple unboxing of this flash charging cord. USB-A to Type-C. It's from the company Desert West. Not really too much to see. Just a simple unboxing. Nothing you haven't seen before, but just want to present this product to you as an option. Alright. So, it comes with a little fastening cable tie. It's braided nylon cable, and it's fast charge and sync. And it's 2 meters. So it's round about the same size as the Apple Watch charging cord that comes with it in the box. It is, bam, like I said, not too much to see. Pretty simple. Nothing you haven't seen before. I do kind of like this though. This little tie thing here. So I think it's leather. I haven't seen that before, really. Normally it's some plastic, some cheap plastic or something. So it's braided nylon. Take a look at it. Like I said, this thing is pretty long. But Type A to Type C. Feels of good quality. I don't have an Android phone, so I cannot test this out, but I'm gonna take their word for it that it's a good product. It looks like it's good. It has a good quality look to it. So y'all check this out. You can get this on Amazon. Flash charging. Desert West. Pick it up.
Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets, gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.